Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, in a Mandeville. No look good at all. Fire ablaze up in a Mandeville, my wisdom warriors. It has come to my attention that fire got OTB location in Mandeville. Investigators probing the cause of what happened. An off-track betting OTB location was damaged by fire in Mandeville, Manchester on Wednesday morning. Yeah, but them say a juicy beef they on fire. So me don't know how that go. So anybody from Mandeville can make me know what is really going on down there. Me really want to show the little video clip, but I can't, guys. I have to follow community guidelines, all right? But if you don't want to see the video of the fire, you can just reach out to me on WhatsApp. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, listen, when you text me, yes, me can send everybody one by one the video. You guys have to join the WhatsApp group if you want to see the video them, all right? So just contact me on 876-236-9097. Mass shooting just Westmoreland. 4 were killed and 3 injured in a gun attack on Monday night, September 30. Suspect among the dead. Reports indicate that around 10:20 p.m., 4 armed men arrived at Instagram Lounge in the New Roads district of Westmoreland and opened fire on patrons who fled in different directions for cover. A man identified as Future was killed by his accomplice after exiting the car. The gunmen later fled the scene in the direction of Bethel Town. My wisdom warriors, if you want to see the video clip of this incident what happened, you have to text yes to join the WhatsApp group. All right, that. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. My wisdom warriors, missing is this young girl that is right on the screen. She is missing, my wisdom warriors. Me never get her name or nothing. But please, if anybody have seen this young girl, please contact the nearest police station on 876-541-3728 or 876-807-5338 or 876-320-5837 or 876-302 8573 or 100-man police station on 876-944-8422. Guys, please, if anybody see her, spot her anywhere at all, because her family is worried, very worried about her. All right, so if anybody have seen her, please to contact the nearest police station. That. According to the paper, according to TVJ News, they said that PNP NEC votes to expel any parliamentarian accused of illicit enrichment. So their news center has been informed that the National Executive Council of the People's National Party has voted to expel any office members in the House of Representatives and Senate accused of illicit enrichment. Don't I hear them something, I hear them a type of pasa, But my wisdom warriors, for me, I wouldn't say if them accused of illicit enrichment. Me not say them fi expel them if they are accused, Them fi expel them if the IC find out that they really is a part of illicit enrichment. After they don't do the investigation and then find out, say, yes, we have to go press charges upon you, then obviously expel them. But if them are going to accuse of illicit enrichment, no, I don't believe that. You understand? Honestly, like how Andrew Holness cannot explain any expenses. Honestly, Andrew Holness can talk where he get the money them from and then recommend to the DCP to press charges for Andrew Holness, yes, in them the case there. But if you're undergoing the investigation, if you're accused, because remember, once you go under the investigation, remember say accuse, until when them done the investigation, they will find out if you're guilty, yes or no. Then yes. So, but the thing is, what I like about PNP, they are very honest. PNP is very honest. Remember, so the opposition leader, asked them, anyone in here is a part of the illicit enrichment, and they said no. You understand? Remember, everybody said no. None of them is not part of it. You understand? Just say, for example, if they say one of them or two of them is part of it, obviously, right there, then me I go expect Mark Golding to expel them because they lied. They lied. Me just give you an explanation. You understand? That is not the case. That is not the case because PNP, I believe in them, my wisdom warriors. I believe in them. I see the work that they are doing. I see how Andrew Holness break the constitution, go and him break the constitution come. And Andrew Holness want the judge to break the constitution. You can't imagine Andrew Holness want the Supreme Court to break the constitution. Andrew Holness want the court to break the constitution, my wisdom warriors, because him always a break it. And it now go work. Because the Prevention Corruption Act is there, put in place, and Andrew Holness want the judge to struck out. He want the judge to struck out Section 14.5, which is constitutional. You can't do that, Andrew Holness. You cannot do that. That is wrong. My wisdom warriors, hear this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has asked the Supreme Court to strike down a law. When I hear that, my wisdom warriors, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Michael Holness, which they call a doctor, he's also a legislator, is asking the Supreme Court to strike down a law used by the Integrity Commission to probe public officials for illicit enrichment. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? My wisdom warriors, when I hear what me I tell you, say, this is a serious thing, I really government badness, Remember, yeah? Lord Jesus, remember, so this law that used by Integrity Commission, yeah, it is constitutional. It is constitutional. And you want the judge, the Supreme Court, again, up there, at the same lady there, where Free Vibes Cartel, my wisdom warriors. Can you imagine the Prime Minister, that is a legislator, he was the same very person who put this in place. It was Andrew Holness who put this in place. Andrew Holness tell you in 2016, say, I'm going to get rid of corruption, my wisdom warriors. He promised us that. He promised us. So because they expose him, they expose the truth. Andrew Holness, no. All them has sought me at the judge for reject it. All them has sought me as nonsense. Nonsense. You can't imagine. Mighty God of Daniel, a prime minister is going far as asking the judge. So now they want the judge to break the law. He wants the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Dr. Andrew Michael Holness, the legislator that put the same very law in because he's a lawmaker. Yeah? Want the judge, the highest Supreme Court of Jamaica, to breach the Constitution. What is wrong with this man, oh? My wisdom warriors, what do this man here? Friend, I born, I never see this, I never hear about this yet. How comes Andrew Holness get involved in a this or something here? Just because they expose him. Let me see what the court are going to do. Let me see what the Supreme Court are going to do. Because me there wait. Me there wait. You plan Andrew, but gotta wipe on the out. Watch your joke. My wisdom warriors, let me continue. Because this not right. This man no want get rid of corruption. He tell us that he is going to get rid of corruption. Him say that. My wisdom warriors, me I go drag on a memory because this a mania. This a mania is really corruption. In breed corruption. In sleep corruption. In eat corruption. He is a corruption, my wisdom warriors. And me I go make on listen to Andrew Holness. The promise he made. The promise he made. And look at this now. Hear this.
Within the first 100 days of our government, we will start the legislative process to institute impeachment proceedings in Parliament. This will add another layer of protection of the Parliament to ensure that only members of unquestioned integrity sit in the Parliament.
Uno hear that, my wisdom warriors? Uno hear what Andrew Holness say? He ma go put the impeachment bill in the constitution reform. That him say no. Yeah? So no man of unquestionable character, no members of unquestionable character can't sit down in a parliament. This is Andrew Holness' word. Cock mouth kill cock. Watch the man come now. The same very man we talk about how he ma go get rid of corruption. This is the same very person. Same very person out here asking the judge to break the constitution and make it unconstitutional to fit around Andrew Holness just because they expose the truth. Them expose Andrew Holness and he don't like it. So him no want them to review it. But you see, if the court ever do that, now me know say Jamaica gone to the gutters if the Supreme Court allow that. Me I watch them good. Me I watch them. I'm Mark Golden. You see, if them ever do that, take it to the Privy Council. Take it to the Privy Council. So when that me want, you know, that me want, my wisdom warriors. So him can look in at the other Privy Council them members them yeah, I make them look upon him and say, boy, you really want thief? You can't be one away. Seriously, this man is wrong and strong at the same time. Can you imagine? A prime minister. Remember said the IC put there, you know, for the public officials also and the parliamentarians, you know. So what is Andrew Holness doing? Just because they expose the truth? Remember say him not fully cooperate with the IC, you know. You if you remember that, you know. This is going down the wrong road. Me I tell you now. This not right. We can't allow this Jamaica. This is too much now. Enough is enough. A ruling in the head of government's favor could affect investigations into 8 parliamentarians. Wanna hear that? A ruling in the head of government's favor. You hear the word that they use in government favor, but me there watch. We there watch the Supreme Court. We there watch the Supreme Court. You understand? And if the Supreme Court do that, me a fall person, I gonna make sure say me take up my phone and contact Fox News, CNN News, BBC News. You know take me a ramp with you know? If the Supreme Court ever do some bullshit like that, me make sure say me I take up my phone and call them cause this have to go viral. Me I go call them and tell them some want them to cover this because no Sankey can sing so. Me at half of the press. You know watch me. Watch me. Any of the Supreme Court ever not working on Andrew Holness' favor just because they expose the truth about him and he's there hiding more things. If the Supreme Court ever do something like that, me I go take up my phone and me I go contact all the news, CNN News, Fox News, BBC News, Good Morning Britain where Andrew Holness go on the whole of them, Sky News, every news. Me I go contact them and tell them say me want them to run this because the Prime Minister of Jamaica is a corrupted man. Because no country no do this. No Prime Minister cannot, nobody no do that. This for sure that this man is guilty, Jamaica. This man is guilty. What is going on? Remember, say the FSC, you know, I want to look into things in Jamaica. Remember, say the FSC asks the judge, all of them are asks, in favor of Andrew Holness. So the FSC asks the judge to hide the documents from the public. Don't publish SSL report to the public. You can't imagine Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark. Nigel Clark is FSC. Nigel Clark is appointed to FSC. And them, I feel them think that. Yeah, and them are FSC, if you never know. So, tell me Jamaica. Talk truth, my wisdom warriors. You know, say the man guilty. And when everybody talk, he want to sue everybody. Nobody enough to talk. And this is going to happen to Jamaican people. It might go make Jamaican people suffer, and them go want to speak out and them can't. Because if they ever dare speak out, they might get 10 years in jail. No, this is why Andrew Holness is building the prisons. This is why Andrew Holness is building the prison, because he's going to change the constitution. You understand? He might go breach with freedom of rights. And on Jamaican people now see what Andrew Holness are going to do. Even the car seat, it are going to come back again. You know what I go see? If you allow Andrew Holness, to Jesus mercy, me feel sorry for my people them, you know. Me feel sorry for my people them. Me I tell them, me really feel sorry for my Jamaican people. You sit down too much now. You need to get up now, Jamaica. Enough is enough. You must can't say enough is enough. You don't understand what I go on. You don't understand this a thief here. Well, if you don't understand now, I'm sorry, you don't go ever understand again. If Jamaican people don't understand what is happening now, they might go understand when it is too late. And that time, there's nothing we can do about it. The only thing we're going to say, boy, we in London used to say this, you know. Andre used to come out and say this. Talk Your Mind used to say this, you know. Atafa the Press used to say this, you know. At Topics used to say this, you know. Jamaican Carlos used to say that, you know. Mystic Sensation used to say that, you know. Wayne Global used to say that, you know. And many more. Many more. I remember everybody. Life with Jennifer used to say that, you know. Many more, my wisdom warriors. Uno I go say, boy, look how they one with the in, one with the out, and we don't listen and look what go on now. Then time that when Andrew Holness turn on your Wi-Fi, uno not even go hear we again. Came out cut we out. Uno think a joke. Listen, all uno taxi drivers too. Me want to know all the time. Take Atafa the Press serious. You see all of them bus that we are come in, the imago flood Jamaica with the bus. You might go flood Jamaica with the bus and you have to go stop run. Taxi. You have to go start the Uber if you don't want to do Uber. Or you go drive bus and get minimum wage. And that go happen. But you taxi driver, you did the same way humble. I don't know how now wait for must rainy day. But you don't worry for yourself. If you don't allow Andrew Holness, you go see, man. You go see. Them a little dirty in labor right. Them a dunce back. They don't know nothing. Them a think about party. Them not sensible. Come in know how you think about party when the man a take with charity funds. Like something wrong with you guys. Seriously. Holness also wants the court to gut unspecified provisions of the 2017 Integrity Commission Act, given the lack of fairness, impartiality, and independence in the exercise of the functions of the divisions and the commission as presently structured. My wisdom warrior, so what's the point then even have an IC then, if you don't want to get to the bottom of the thief? You don't want to get to the bottom of the thief. So what's the point even have the IC then? This is show you say, this is why I'm telling you all the while say, them a criminal. Them a hide something. Because if you not hide nothing, no, you're going to do all of this here? No, sir. If you know in yourself say you're not thief, me not stress myself to go all the way to go ask judge. Say, judge, please me I beg your judge. Struck out this, struck out the corruption. No, man, you hide sitting. You hide sitting. And he's protecting the 7th thief. You see what me I show you? So how PNP fit in it? How PNP fit in this? My wisdom warriors, don't be fooled. You hear me? Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. Me want to pay attention also to the part where them say, if the Supreme Court strike down the law, yeah, the 8th thief are going to get affected. The 7th thief, sorry, the 7th thief are going to get affected. That means them are going to get off with it. Them are going to get off of the case, and then we're not going to know who the 7th thief is. It is sad. It is sad. And Andrew Holness, as a legislator, as a prime minister, he wants the court to strike this thing out, which is constitutional, and make it unconstitutional. Andrew Holness, you got to go. Your time is up. Time come. Time come. You're power hungry. Me hear the Labour them talk about Marky G. Oh, please. Marky G not have nothing for lose. Andrew have everything for lose. Andrew have everything for lose. Andrew want power and power hungry. So bad. Why? Me no know. Me no know my wisdom warriors. Don't tell me. Tell me what you think. Storm up the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Remember to support my PayPal, you know. Remember to support my PayPal. Few days now, me not say nothing. Me not say no. Mighty God, seriously, every little make a muckle, you know. If each one of you give me one, look how much you watch me. Enough for you watch me pan here, you know. And if each person give me $1, if each more than 5,000 or 6,000 or 10,000 or watch my video, just imagine each person give me just $1. $1. Come on. Like, seriously. You know want me out here come beg, you know? Me not go beg, you know? Me not go beg, you know? But I'm just saying, guys, you see I'm doing the work. So all you can do, you can just support my platform. And you can support my platform. And remember to become a member of my channel also. And guys, follow me on TikTok, follow me on X, follow me on Instagram. Alright? The link I got in the comment section. Blessings upon blessings, guys. Thanks for the support. I appreciate you guys. You guys mean the world to me. Alright? Big up on a nice clean self. One love.